Your skills and expertise that you have right now can be turned into an online business, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that in today's video. So of course, there are many different ways that you could take your knowledge and turn it into a business, but the number one way I would recommend for you is to create an online education business. There's so much opportunity with this business model, and it's also pretty simple to set up and to run, especially when we compare to different business types. For example, you could have a very successful online education business with just you or just you and a virtual assistant. And you don't have to deal with a lot of things like shipping, inventory, and stock issues. So what do I mean by online education business? I mean that you are taking what you know right now and you are monetizing that through coaching, courses, memberships, or other digital products. And you use the tools available to us online, like YouTube and social media, in order to grow it. So how do you build this? The first thing you're going to do is get online and you're going to start to share what you know. You're going to get on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, and you're going to start to build your authority in this particular subject. Right? So you have to do that. You have to get online. You have to start getting visible and showing people that you do have expertise in that area. Once you've done that, you're going to start to package up your knowledge into different offers. For many people, they start with one-on-one coaching or one-on-one client work because that is the simplest, right? You can charge a higher price point for it. You require less customers. So it's a really great way for you to start bringing in money in your business. And it can totally work even when you have a small audience. So you would take your knowledge and you would put together, let's say, an 8-week coaching program or a 12-week coaching program, or maybe you have a certain offer that you can put together and you can actually implement the work for someone. Awesome. So as you do this, your experience is starting to build and you're starting to work with clients and starting to see what they're really struggling with and what they need the most help with. And then from here, you can start to create more scalable products like courses, memberships, and digital products. So it's a different format, but again, that's you taking what you know and packaging it up into different products. And these are really exciting because they don't require your one-on-one time and allow you to help a lot more people. So no matter what your skill set is, no matter what your experience is, I know that you can do this. We are so fortunate with all of the tools and the reach that is available to us today that you can literally reach people who need help with the most specific things. Okay, and if it has been valuable for you, if it has changed your life in some way, then that is a fantastic starting point. So these are the foundational pieces of an online education business. Then, of course, from here, you're going to start to develop your skills in marketing and sales. You're going to start to figure out how to accelerate your growth on whatever platform that you've picked. You're going to learn that you need to create an email list. And then from there, you're going to be able to sell at an even higher volume. But it's really exciting. It's a fantastic business model. It's the one that I've chosen and have been doing for the last 6 years now. It just provides so much opportunity, and it provides opportunity for you to continue learning and growing. And as you do that, you can just release more products as your knowledge grows, as your expertise grows. There's so much opportunity for different things that you can create. So as you build these skills in an online business, it's going to start to stack up and you're going to get even bigger and bigger results. So that is how you take your knowledge and expertise and turn it into an online business. I share a ton of more detailed steps that you will need to create this type of business here on this channel. So make sure that you hit subscribe. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Ask me any question that you have in the comments down below, and I'll see you real soon with another video.